Hey guys, it's Rachel with Fit29, and today I'm here with my friend Danielle.
Hello!
And she's going to give me a natural glam makeup look. So if you want to achieve a natural look, stay tuned for this video.
Okay, and this is how we do the eyebrows. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in an angled brush. So starting off, you want to brush your eyebrows, the hairs in the direction that they go, so more up and out. So what we're going to do, when you start off, you want to do a line under the bottom starting off. You don't want to start in the very beginning of the eyebrow. You want to kind of start kind of a little bit, maybe right here. Right. So I'm going to do that first.
You do it at the beginning of the eyebrow. You said it looks like that.
Yeah, it'll more look like the little block Nike sign that you don't want to do.
Yeah.
And then for the top, when I do the top, I generally, with the line, I start a little bit more back, kind of right here, because I want it to look as natural as it can with it being as clean as it can. Okay. Once you do that, then you're just going to fill in.
And then when we fill in the eyebrows, do you do a lot of the brow powder?
It just
or a
depends.
lot of the dip, or?
Honestly, it just depends. So on the middle part, the arch in there, I do generally make it a lot, like the darkest part of the eyebrow. When you come up here, I don't necessarily put anything on the product on the beginning of the eyebrow. I more just get the little blending that I'll use for blending, a little angled, a little bit thicker brush. And I'll brush these in just to make everything blend, and then I'll go up, which will add some product because you'll still have a little product on the angle, but it keeps it looking a little bit more natural. So once you're done with that part, then you want to do the concealing under. So going under, you want to get another angle brush. You'll have angle brushes for a lot of stuff with makeup, but you want to do your highlight color. So you're doing like a color or two lighter than your skin tone, and you want to get that under your eyebrow.
And this is what makes it like
yeah, it makes exactly a lot more clean. If your eyebrows aren't done, it helps it not be as noticeable. Covers it. So under the eye, the highlight part, everybody has different ways that they do it. I like to do the angled brush, make a line, pull it down, and then blend it. Some people just go straight with a thicker brush and just go. It really doesn't matter, just as long as it's clean and it doesn't really go into your eyebrows. And so I just make a line and I pull it down. I like the line way because it makes it a lot more sharp. And then going on to the top brow, the top part of your brow, I like to do your foundation color. So it's not just a lot of highlight around it. So I'll do her foundation color, and I'll do the same as well, making that line above, pulling it up, and then blending it.
No, you're so good. I'm trying to keep myself from laughing.
Great job.
Thanks. So outside of makeup, what other things do you enjoy doing?
I like to I work a lot. I like to play with my son. Now, and I was playing indoor soccer. I'll probably get that back going once my son is older. Shoot, now I'm just finding rest time actually.
Yeah.
Because I'm either always at work or here.
Yeah.
After that, you want to blend it. You don't have to worry too much because you'll end up blending it once you put your foundation in. But.
And you're using a beauty blender, right?
I'm using a beauty blender.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now we are on to eyeshadow. Are we working down? Is that kind of like?
I like to do the eyes first,
okay,
and then I'll go, just because when you do eyebrows, you'll sometimes follow product on the eyeshadow and the eyebrows.
Yeah.
Okay. So first, starting off, I want to prime them. So I just use matte primer, then I'll use painting pot as well, and then we'll do a little pro powder. It's important to prime them because the eyeshadow shows up a lot more when you do that. For a lot of people that may have like veiny eyelids or different things like that, it makes a big difference. And with like the creases and stuff that are in your Alright, and then I have MAC's painting pot. This is just so everything is the same color. So when I put the products on, it's like you have a smooth piece of paper to color on.
I remember way back when, before I even knew what makeup was, I used to buy the little CoverGirl eyeshadow palette, and I would take the little stick that it came with and just put it on my eye. With no primer, no nothing.
I used to never get eyeshadow.
Yeah.
And I just didn't think that. And then once I like learned how, I was just like, I want that too.
Yeah.
Alright. Then I'm going to get some setting powder. I'm just going to put it on top of it just to set it. Okay. So starting off, you always want to start off with your transition shade. I'm going to do a neutral glam. So I'm going to do like brown, natural colors.
Yeah.
Natural. Yeah, there you go. So starting with the neutral, you want to start kind of on the top part of your lids in a circular motion. It helps a lot when you're doing eyes to start really light, just in case you know, so you can always add product on. So doing eyeshadow, the transition shade is probably the most important with making everything blend together. With your transition shade, you want to do a color that's like neutral to your skin tone, so it kind of just like fades in. I always, with a lot of people, they like to use like a lighter brown. This one is MAC's Brown Script. I use this all the time for transition shades. It's really pretty. It goes really well with browns and stuff like that. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and just do the eyelid. All right, so I'm doing a gold. This is Makeup Forever's little palette. They have a lot of shades.
So pretty.
And start with a little gold. I like to
Is there black?
I'm putting this all over the lid just because I'm gonna stop kind of right here. Just I'm gonna put a darker color on the corner. We're going with a brown right in between the lid color and the transition.
So for the person that doesn't have brushes, what would you recommend the first set to buy?
Something really cheap that you can get at like the local hair store or something small. Until you really you know more about makeup, I would start cheap, and then once you know more about the products and stuff, start buying the expensive.
That was my mom, by the way, guys. Y'all know she always pops in my videos.
So I had that brown. Now I'm just going to go just a little darker, and I'm just going to use a little smaller brush. If you notice when you're doing blending brush, it's a little bit thicker. When I went in for the brown, which is in between, it was a little bit smaller than the blending brush. Now I'm going to go even in between the lighter brown I just did in there, so I'm going to do a smaller one. So we're done with the top eyeshadow. We added the liner and the lashes to it. We'll fully finish the eyes once we're done with the skin. So yeah, this is it. Very natural, very blended. We don't have a cut crease or anything like that, where everything, we just have everything blended together. Okay, so we're on to the skin. Already hydrated her face and I primed it, so now we're going to foundation. Go down into the neck. That's a big thing with foundation. The worst thing you want is a line. Like, makes your face look like a peel off. So now we're gonna do the highlight, which is the highlight you want to get like 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin. And with highlighting and contouring, if you look at your face without any makeup, there's going to be naturally lighter places on your face and naturally darker places. So with highlighting and contouring, you're just accentuating those places. So highlight, we're going to go under the eye.
I'm thinking about my face. I don't want first lips.
Alright, and then you're gonna get the nose, right, cupid bow, and the chin, and up in the forehead are the main places that you're gonna highlight.
Not same pattern, same no matter your face shape.
Mm-hmm. With your nose, you want to kind of push the highlight up a little bit. Let's look at this. Alright. Once it's done, you want to go ahead and dab everything in with your beauty blender. Alright, so now we're on to the contour part. So contour, this is the parts we're going to hit. We're going to hit right under her cheekbone. Going here, we're going to hit here on her nose, her forehead, shape it out right. We're gonna do her jaws, and then you can get under your lips as well. Those are generally the main parts that you want to contour. With the contour, it really just is a preference. You go maybe 1 or 2 shades darker than your skin tone. I like a sharp contour, so sometimes I go a little bit darker than it. But okay, we'll start it off. So as of right now, we got the highlight and contour. We're gonna go into the blush next, blend a little bit, do under the eye, and we'll be finished. So now we're gonna go into the blush. Some people nowadays just do the contour. It's all really your preference. I like to do blush on the apples of your cheek, but I don't do it very heavy. Just make it where it blends out. So go ahead and smile. And what I'll do is I'll go up and I'll bring it into the contour. And just a little bit, and then we're going to blend it out as well. Alrighty, and we're all done. We went ahead and added some bronze and highlight. Did a little under the eye, put a little red and a brown under along with mascara. We have a bright red lip. And yeah.
This is the final look. Natural glam. Danielle did amazing. And if you want to stay tuned for more beauty videos, workout videos, subscribe to my channel below. And stay tuned for more Fit 29 workout videos.